Hey everybody, we got some breaking news from Chuck Calesto. Second time I did a story that he's posted on Twitter. Just in massive explosion, multiple people trapped at chocolate factory in West Reading, Pennsylvania. Watch this. That's crazy. That's an immense explosion. My thoughts and prayers go out to the people that are trapped or the people that have lost their lives. Because I guarantee with that much boom going off, some people went to meet their maker with this. That's just crazy. So, share the video out. Let everybody know that this just happened. And thanks for watching.